What's up guys, welcome to our gig log. This is Kent Audio Cebu, and right now I'm heading to Waterfront Hotel to set up lights and sound for a wedding event. My crew just called me that they are already there. They just started unloading our equipment, and yeah, I'm kind of running late because I had stuff to take care of before I head up to the venue. But yeah, all is good, so see you there. We are now here guys at the Waterfront Hotel Cebu, and this is what we have to go through today. Hashtag no elevator, hashtag buhay hagdanan. Quick update guys, we made quite a good progress. The area is quite big. I hope our lights are okay. We only brought 32 LED bars, but we're just gonna make the most of it. We also brought four moving heads and one follow spot right there. So see you guys. Fireworks we're gonna be using later for their first dance. Yep, they're still programming the lights. Let's go outside.
Sure.
We have completely set up everything. The backdrops, moving heads are now okay. Even the towers. Yeah. This is how it looks.
Romeo and Mrs. Sosima Kanama. Everyone, it is all stand. Once again, all eyes set in our main entrance. But this time, put your hands together now to the loudest of your applauses as we welcome the now Mr. Peter Jade and officially Mrs. Angeli Rose Olazo.
My fortune just begun. You got me jumping up.
my dinner and I'm so full.
For me, Peter, you are one. I will be genuinely
This is how the venue looks.
happy and proud of you for what you have achieved. And I am also very thankful to God.
Wedding event has just ended. It's now 11 p.m. and we had to deal with the stairs again. And we haven't finished packing up our equipment. We should have been loading up the equipment by now, but there's no elevator here and we have to deal with the stairs. So good luck to us.
Wait, hold up. Watch me scrape, hold up. Watch me scrape the plate, Finny scrape, hold up. Think you in the game, you in the way, hold up.